Hey guys, what you doing? Yeah? What you eating? Chicken?
Chicken and pizza. Mayonnaise and fries.
Yeah? Is it good?
Right on my face.
Well, that's good. Alrighty. Just getting a view from the deck here, from the 18th floor. So I think we're 4 from the top. Each one of these buildings has a pool right down there, and there's 4 buildings, and that over there is it's a big pool. It's like the big main pool where you can eat and drink, and it's probably 3 times the size of the normal pool, like that. And down here is the end of the island. You can't see it from here though, the very end. And this is the bay here. And where David and Jacob was, that was the ocean. Okay. Hey, Ethan, buddy, over here. Ethan. Hey.